The setup file will be downloaded in a zipped folder. First, extract the Face Setup zipped folder. Once the setup has been extracted, go to the folder, right-click on Face Setup and run as administrator. After selecting Server, please select the path where you want to install Face and click on Install. Please wait while the application gets installed. In case of any error while installation, feel free to contact the Cygnet Face team. The details are mentioned in the description. Kindly wait while the SQL server is getting installed. Once the application is installed, click on Finish. The Face application icon will be available to you on your desktop. Please right-click and run as administrator for the first time. Thank you for watching this video. Please catch our next video to get started with Face.